Welcome to JV Quiz. Hey there, animal lovers! Did you know that the cheetah is the fastest land animal, capable of reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour? Pretty cool, right? Today, we're diving into an exciting animal quiz. Guess the name of the animal in 3 seconds, ranging from easy peasy to brain-busting hard. Let's get started. You got this, it's the easy level. First question. Lion. Did you know? Lions are the only big cats that live in groups, called prides. A pride can consist of up to 30 lions. Next, you got this. Elephant. Elephants have a highly developed brain and show emotions like joy and grief. They can also use tools and recognize themselves in mirrors. Let's go! Cheetah. Cheetahs can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making them the fastest land animals. Dolphin. Dolphins are very social and intelligent animals. They can recognize themselves in mirrors and use tools to solve problems. Owl. Did you know owls can turn their heads almost all the way around to see in all directions? This helps them hunt more effectively at night. Kangaroo. Kangaroos can leap over 30 feet in a single bound, which is almost as long as a school bus. They use their powerful legs to move quickly. Panda. Pandas spend around 14 hours a day eating bamboo. They have a special bone in their wrist that acts like a thumb to help them grasp bamboo. Next, you got this. Chameleon. Chameleons can change their skin color to blend into their surroundings. They also have long, sticky tongues to catch insects. Let's go! Eagle. Eagles have incredibly sharp eyesight, allowing them to spot prey from high in the sky. They can see up to 8 times farther than humans. 10th question. Giraffe. Giraffes have long necks that can be up to 6 feet tall, helping them reach leaves high in trees. Their tongues can be 18 inches long. Next, you got this. Octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts and can squeeze through very tiny openings. They are also known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Hummingbird. Did you know hummingbirds can hover in midair by flapping their wings up to 80 times per second? They have the highest metabolism of any bird. Penguin. Penguins can't fly, but they are fantastic swimmers and can dive deep into the ocean. They use their flippers to propel themselves underwater. Zebra. Every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes, just like human fingerprints. These stripes help them blend into their surroundings. Koala. Koalas sleep up to 18 hours a day to conserve energy from their eucalyptus leaf diet. They have a specialized digestive system to process these tough leaves. Frog. Frogs can breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. This allows them to stay underwater for long periods. Next animal. Sharks are the only mammals that can fly, and they use echolocation to find their way in the dark. This helps them catch insects while flying. Camels can go without water for weeks, storing fat in their humps for energy. They can also drink up to 40 gallons of water in one go. Sloths move so slowly that algae can grow on their fur, helping them blend into the trees. They sleep for about 15 to 20 hours a day. Some sharks can sense a drop of blood in the water from up to a mile away. They have special sensors called ampullae of Lorenzini to detect electrical field. Here we go for the medium level. Wolf. Did you know wolves have a complex social structure and communicate with howls, growls, and body language? They live and hunt in packs. Next animal. Whale. Blue whales are the largest animals ever to have lived on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs. Their hearts can be as big as a small car. Flamingo. Flamingos get their pink color from the shrimp and algae they eat. They often stand on one leg to conserve body heat. Rhinos have thick skin that acts like armor, protecting them from predators and rough terrain. They can weigh up to 2,500 kilograms. Parrot. Some parrots can mimic human speech and learn to say dozens of words. They are very intelligent and social birds. Next animal. Turtle. Did you know some turtles can live for over 100 years, making them some of the longest living animals? They have a hard shell to protect them. Tiger. Tigers are excellent swimmers and love to cool off in water. They have striped skin as well as fur, which helps them camouflage in the jungle. Bees are crucial for pollinating plants, helping flowers and crops grow. A single bee colony can pollinate over 300 million flowers a day. Peacock. Did you know male peacocks display their beautiful, colorful tail feathers to attract mates? Their tails can be over 5 feet long. Ants can carry objects that are 50 times their own body weight. They live in organized colonies with different roles for each ant. Next animal. Seahorse. Did you know? Male seahorses are the ones who get pregnant and give birth to babies. They carry the eggs in a special pouch. Gorilla. Gorillas live in tight-knit family groups and can use tools like sticks to get food. They share 98% of their DNA with humans. Lizard. Some lizards can detach their tails to escape from predators and grow them back later. This process is called autotomy. Next animal. Starfish. Starfish can regenerate lost arms, and some species can even regrow their entire body from just one arm. They have no brain or blood. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to absorb and retain heat from the sun. They are excellent swimmers and can swim for days. Next animal. Rabbit. Rabbits have powerful hind legs that allow them to leap great distances and evade predators. They can turn their ears to listen in different directions. You got this! Fox. Foxes have excellent night vision, making them great hunters in the dark. They use their bushy tails for balance and warmth. Porcupine. Porcupines have sharp quills on their backs to protect them from predators. These quills can detach easily when touched. Crocodile. Crocodiles have incredibly powerful jaws and can hold their breath underwater for up to an hour. They have been around since the time of dinosaurs. Lemur. Lemurs have long tails that help them balance as they leap through the trees. They are only found on the island of Madagascar. This is the hard level. Time to shine. Jellyfish. Did you know some jellyfish can glow in the dark due to a phenomenon called bioluminescence? They have been around for over 500 million years. Next animal. Otter. Otters use tools like rocks to crack open shellfish and other hard-to-eat prey. They hold hands while sleeping to stay together. Pangolin. Pangolins are the only mammals covered in scales, which they use for protection. They can roll into a ball when threatened. Saiga antelope. Did you know saiga antelopes have large bulbous noses that help filter out dust and regulate their body temperature? They are critically endangered. Tarantula. Some tarantulas can shoot tiny barbed hairs from their bodies to deter predators. They can live for up to 30 years. Capybara. Capybaras are the world's largest rodents and are excellent swimmers. They can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes to avoid predators. Tarsier. Tarsiers are small primates with enormous eyes that are each as large as their brain. These eyes help them see in the dark as they are nocturnal hunters. Next animal. Platypus. Platypuses are one of the few mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. They have a duck-like bill and webbed feet. Iguana. Iguanas can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes, using their strong tails to swim. They have a third eye on top of their heads to detect light. Albatross. Albatrosses have the longest wingspan of any bird, up to 11 feet, allowing them to glide long distances over the ocean. Meerkat. Meerkats live in large social groups and take turns standing guard to watch for predators. They have dark patches around their eyes to reduce glare from the sun. Next animal. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs have spines that protect them from predators. When threatened, they roll into a tight ball, making it hard for predators to eat them. Did you know lynxes have distinctive tufted ears that help them hear prey moving in the snow? They are solitary animals and are excellent hunters. Ocelot. Ocelots have beautifully spotted coats that help them blend into their forest habitats. They are nocturnal and mostly hunt at night. Fossa. Fossas are cat-like predators native to Madagascar. They have semi-retractable claws and can climb trees to hunt lemurs. Gibbons have incredibly strong arms and long fingers, allowing them to swing gracefully through trees. They are known for their loud, distinctive calls. Bison. Bison are massive herbivores that can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. They have a thick fur coat to survive harsh winters. Next animal. Kiwi. Kiwis are flightless birds native to New Zealand with long beaks used to forage for insects. They lay the largest eggs in relation to their body size of any bird. Axolotl. Axolotls can regenerate almost any part of their body, including limbs, heart, and even parts of their brain. They remain in their larval form throughout their life. Red panda. Red pandas use their bushy tails for balance and to keep warm in cold weather. They primarily eat bamboo, but also enjoy fruits, acorns, and insects.